I'm Philip Thomas, Hot Rod Magazine. I'm over here with James from CPP, and we're here to talk about these two giant fuel tanks right in front of us. So what's the difference between these two things first?
These tanks here are very similar. The main difference is you got the filling style, but we have a variety of tanks for all the popular vehicles. These are for 55 to 59 Chevy truck. Since we're doing this 58 Apache, I want to show you some examples of this one. These are EFI-Ready tanks. So they've already got the flanges here already welded in. So you can just drop in, your fuel pump just drops right in. Got a few varieties of pumps. We've got a 255 liter per hour and a 340. The goal was to make it drop right in, no modification, no crazy fab work, and be able to have a modern EFI-ready tank that has internal baffling and make the installation very easy for the customer.
There's one of these little features here I thought was kind of neat. It's the smallest part, but I think it's a good consideration.
Yeah, absolutely. We have these nut plates here, and these go on top of the flange. So that way, when you're underneath your truck trying to install this, you just put your fastener up through the bottom there, and you don't have to try to wiggle a wrench through here. And there's not a lot of room, and it makes it real tough. So we thought, for as easy as these are to make and include with the kit, it just makes it that much more enjoyable for the end user to install.
Oh, I agree with that. So it's bigger capacity, less starvation, and a whole lot less wrench throwing.
Yeah, exactly. All of these tanks, every one of them is pressure tested before they ever get packaged up for shipment. Plus, you also got a few different fill styles. We actually call this style over here, this is what we call our bed standard, where this mounts below your bed, and you basically just put your fuel nozzle through here, just like that. Makes it real simple, kind of like a modern car.
And you'll have some fuel doors you can put over that, right?
Right, yeah, exactly. You've got a few different, variety of fuel doors here, so you mount this in your bed, just like that. When you want to fill up your tank, boop, there you go. So yeah, we got, circular, oval, all different shapes and sizes of these doors to fit your particular build. Or maybe you're the guy that wants what we call our flush mount. And this mounts on top of your bed like that. And then you got your hose here, connects to the neck on the tank, and you can have that look. So it kind of just depends on what you want to do. And our goal was to give the end user a variety of things to choose from to suit their needs.
For all the coverage on our Sta-Bil, Chevy, Apache shop truck, follow us on hotrod.com.